There is, there are. Introduction. En español existe el verbo haber, en presente es hay. Simplemente expresa que algo existe sin concretar más. Como sabéis, hay se utiliza para el singular y el plural. Hay un hombre en la calle, hay dos hombres en la calle. Sin embargo, en inglés el verbo equivalente tiene singular y plural. There is y there are. There is a man in the street. There are two men in the street. Para preguntar, invertimos el orden de las palabras. There is a man in the street. Is there a man in the street? There are two men in the street. Are there two men in the street? Para la negación utilizamos not o la forma contraída nt. There isn't a good restaurant in this town. There aren't many hotels near here. Las respuestas cortas se construyen de esta forma. Is there a hotel near here? Yes, there is. Or, no, there isn't. Are there two universities in the city? Yes, there are. Or, no, there aren't. Examples. There's a zebra crossing in the picture. There's a zebra crossing in Abbey Road. There are two cars at the traffic lights. There's a roundabout on Ormsby Road. There's a police station in Agar Street. There's a post office in New Oxford Street. Is there a Starbucks? Yes, there is. Is there a McDonald's? No, there isn't. How many libraries are there? There are two. Is there a church? Yes, there is. St. Martin in the Fields. Is there a post office? No, there isn't. Is there a four-star hotel in the picture? No, there isn't. There's a five-star hotel, the Savoy. Is there a car park near Russell Square? Yes, there is. The Imperial Car Park. Is there an art gallery near Charing Cross Road? Yes, there is. The National Gallery. Estamos en Charing Cross Library. Podemos preguntar, is there a theatre near here? La respuesta sería, yes, there is. The Noel Coward Theatre. Ahora sabemos que hay un teatro. Si queremos saber dónde, habría que utilizar el verbo estar y el pronombre it, porque estamos hablando de algo concreto. Where is it? Nos referimos al Noel Coward Theatre. La respuesta sería, it's near Leicester Square. Leicester Square. Leicester. It's near Leicester Square. Lo mismo ocurre en español. ¿Hay un teatro cerca de aquí? Sí. ¿Dónde está? está en Leicester Square.